we don't have any knowledge, Attorney Karen, with regards to this operation of Pogos in this establishment because, as I said, in 2019, as when I assume as a mayor in 2019, we closely monitor on this establishment, and they're paying their business permit, the different business names. They have 6 different businesses. Actually, because their business is they're into hotel, so there are tourists that they will check in on their hotels, book on their hotels. So yun ang nakita natin na parang yung negosyo na dahil hotel. So parang wala lang na ano namin merong pogo doon kasi when they started the business, we are monitoring from 2019 up to 2024. We never seen any pogos or inside the said hotel. So yung mga tourists, parang turista lang na nag-check-in sa kanila because they have the hotel, no? So as you all know that Lapu-Lapu's bread and butter is tourism. So sila, they were accepting tourists to book in their hotel.